Hey everyone, this is Pritam here, and in this video we'll be learning about typecasting in Java. Before we start, if you're first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. So in the last video we learned about data types in Java, right? In this video we'll go through typecasting of these data types and how can you do more with this. First, let's understand what does typecasting actually mean. So it is nothing but assign a value of one data type to another type. And when I talk about data types, these all are primitive data types. From the definition, we can understand that we are converting a particular data type into another. Since we have 8 primitive data types in Java, that means we can convert any data type among this list. But there must be some condition, right? So that's why this typecasting further divided into two parts. One is widening casting, or we can say automatic typecasting, that is done by Java itself. And another one is narrowing casting or manual casting, that is done by us. If you remember, in the last video, we have seen that there are different data sizes for different data types. So when we talk about automatic casting or widening casting, we gotta keep in mind that we cannot convert a larger size data type to a smaller size data type. In the diagram, you can see that the order is from smaller size data type to larger size data type. And that is from byte to short, short to char, char to int to long, long to float, and float to double. But that does not mean that you cannot convert from byte to int or byte to long or into float. Yes, you can. But you cannot convert from float to int. That means you cannot go to backward direction. Now let's talk about manual typecasting or narrowing casting. By using this type of casting, we can easily convert a larger size data type to a smaller size data type. And the order should be exactly the opposite of widening casting. I hope you got some idea about these two types of casting. Now let's go to our IDE and implement this typecasting in our code. So let's quickly go to File, New, then Java Project, give it a name, Finish. Under this folder, right click on SRC, go to New, and then go to Package, give it a name, and then click on Finish. Right click on your package, New, Class. I'm giving it a name, Java typecasting. I want the main method. Now click on Finish. Under the main method, let's write a byte. Let's say b marks. You can give any name of the variable that you want. So let's say 94. Now I want to shift from byte to int. So int I marks b marks. Okay. So here I am assigning the value from byte to int. Let's also write a double d marks b marks. Okay, now let's print this. So I'm going to write system.out.println b marks. Then I want to print I marks, and last I want to print d marks. Okay. So here we have 94, 94 and 94.0 as because we know double stores floating point number. Okay, now let's talk about manual casting. So as we want to convert a larger size data type, say double price 87.68. Now I want to convert this into int whose size is smaller than double, right? So for that we gotta write int, let's say I price, and before the variable name we gotta write int inside the parenthesis. Let's print this ln. Okay, so first we want to print price and then I price. Let's comment this, then I'm going to click on run. Okay, so here we can see 87.68 and 87. Here 87.68 is a floating point number and 87 is an integer number that came from float value of double by using manual typecasting. So this is all about typecasting in Java. I hope you liked this video, and still if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye.